District National Park 2024. Hey, adventurers, lace up those hiking boots and get ready for an epic expedition deep into the heart of the iconic Peak District National Park. Picture the first light of dawn reflecting on gentle, rolling hills, a crystal-clear brook whispering through lush valleys, and towering emerald peaks calling you to climb higher and discover new horizons. This isn't just another day hike. It's a true adventure, a journey through Edale and into the rugged northern clough that promises challenge, beauty, and unforgettable memories. We'll be tackling Grindsbrook Clough Fox Holes, an incredible route that showcases nature's finest work. Along the way, you'll encounter legendary spots like Man Tor, Edale Moor, Grindslow Knoll, Livestock Pen, and follow the gentle murmur of the Grinds Brook River. Every step takes you closer to jaw-dropping panoramas, each ascent a shared victory among those bold enough to face the mountain head-on. Route details: distance 12 kilometers, 7.4 miles. Ascent 771 m, 2,529 feet. Time about 7 hours of pure adrenaline. Difficulty 7/10. Prepare to push yourself and feel that sense of accomplishment at the end. With expert guides and the club's insurance covering you, all that's left is to bring your sense of adventure and passion for the outdoors. Experience a day that feels like stepping into the pages of a world-class trekking magazine. This is the Peak District National Park at its best. Before you head off into the next great horizon, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give a big thumbs up to the Hiking in London Club. Stay connected for more epic hikes, insider tips, and the best trails across the UK. See you on the trail by Hiking in London Club.